What do you do when you lose motivation to write your book? In this video, I'm going to share with you 3 simple but super effective things to do to get back your motivation to write your book now and finish it fast. So what do you do when you lose motivation to write? First of all, you have to acknowledge the fact that you lost it, right? And if you hold that as true, it is possible for you to find it. Number 1, reconnect to the idea that got the whole thing started. The idea about this book. What are you writing about? Is it fiction? Is it non-fiction? Who is the main character of the book? What is the message of the book? Who is this book for? Reconnect to the idea that got the whole thing started. That's how you can find it and connect the pieces that make up the whole story. Number 2, read and listen to something about that particular character or idea that you are writing about. Feed the fire. When you find the characters, when you go back, when you connect to the idea of this book, in terms of the characters of the book, in terms of the message of the book, who the book is for, when you find that, the next thing you want to do is read something about these characters or the idea, or listen to something that about this idea or the character of the book. You have to feed the fire that you have just found and started. Number 3, commit to action. You have to take at least 2 hours of action every day for you to make that dream happen, for you to make that book happen. And it's not just for a book, it's for anything you are passionate about making happen. You have to give it at least 2 hours of action every day to make it happen. So let's go back to the 3 actionable steps you can take to get back your motivation to write a book. Number 1, you have to reconnect to the idea that got the whole thing started, the idea of the book. Get reconnected to it. Number 2, you have to read or listen to something about a particular idea or story or message of the book. And number 3, you have to commit time to building it. Yes, at least 2 hours of action every day. Get to write something, get to put something down, get to plan something, do something, take action to feed that fire. Thanks for watching this video. If you want more videos like this, please hit the subscribe button and you'll get notifications whenever I put out a new video. See you in the next video.